Hail to thee, the alma mater of we. Loyal we have been, refusing to fit in, as we stand, defend, and be the pride of Haggerty. May our friendships never waver, close inside our hearts, forever true, the black and blue never grow apart. And when we leave these sacred halls and when we say goodbye, we pledge to thee the husky spirit, long live Haggerty High.